Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Kibana and build first dashboard, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Kibana, first, ensure that you visit the official Kibana website to download the latest version available for your operating system. Choose the appropriate package depending on whether you're using Windows, macOS, or Linux. For Windows, download the zip file and extract it to your preferred location. For macOS, download the tar file and use terminal to extract it. If you're on Linux, you may prefer to use a package manager like apt or yum. Once the files are extracted, navigate to the Kibana directory using your command line or terminal. Now, before starting Kibana, ensure that Elasticsearch is up and running. You can do this by opening a new terminal window and typing in the command to start Elasticsearch. With Elasticsearch running, go back to the Kibana directory. To launch Kibana, execute the command appropriate for your system, like bin/kibana for Linux and macOS, or bin/kibana.bat. Once Kibana is running, open your web browser and go to http://localhost 5601. This takes you to the Kibana UI. Here, you will need to configure the index pattern to connect Kibana with the data in Elasticsearch. Click on Index Patterns in the sidebar and then click on Create Index Pattern. Enter the name of the index you wish to use, like logs. Click on the Next Step button. Select the time filter field, typically at timestamp. Then click on Create Index Pattern to finalize your selection. Now, let's move on to creating your first dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on Dashboard. Hit the Create New Dashboard button. To add visualizations, click on the Add button. Select the visualizations you would like to include in your dashboard. You can create visualizations directly from this page if needed by clicking on Create Visualization. After adding all desired visual, you can resize and drag them around for better layout. Once satisfied with your dashboard's layout, save it by clicking the Save button at the top right. Give your dashboard a name that reflects its purpose and click Save. You now have your first Kibana dashboard ready. Congratulations on successfully installing Kibana and creating your first dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.